What do you think about the way she's chewing?
What's up, y'all? Happy Saturday. Got some things to do today, so you guys are gonna come with me. Haven't picked my vlog camera up in a minute, so let's get caught up, honey. First of all, let me go. I need to do my face because y'all see that. I need to take this old makeup off because your girl fell asleep. I came in the house about 1 last night. All right, y'all, the light in here is yellow. This is my bathroom. I like yellow lights. Hey, it is what it is. Gotta take the makeup off of my face, honey. We're gonna redo it. But are you guys excited about, are you guys excited about fall? Today is September 20th. And I think the first day of fall is supposed to be on the 21st or the 22nd. Not really sure. But y'all, I'm excited about it. I am definitely excited about it. There's tons of events here in Dallas to go to. Today we're supposed to go to the OKTOBERFEST. It's like a German festival where they have like food vendors, games, all kinds of stuff. So I'm excited about that. Gotta wash this face, honey. Gotta wash this face. But yeah, I haven't done anything. Your girl's really been working. I had hurt my back, but it's feeling a lot better. But I do have to get like a back injection. So I'm gonna get that. I don't have a hernia, thank God. I don't have to get surgery, thank God. It's just a bulge in my back. And ladies, men, y'all bend your legs when you're picking up groceries, picking up anything. Bend your legs, honey. That was my issue. I ain't bend my legs. I wasn't used to bending my legs. But it caught up with you, girl. I was like, woo. The older you get, honey, you start feeling stuff. You like, bro. But yeah. I'm just using this hydrating facial cleanser. It's Walgreens brand, but you can compare it to CeraVe hydrating facial cleanser. That's what it look like. But I'm using this. I've been using this. I like this on my skin, especially after makeup. But I used to just keep it real simple, y'all, when it came to my face, because I don't like all the chemicals and stuff. But I will say this right here, it's pretty good. I ain't mad at it. And I don't use it like every single day. But I will say it's pretty good. Yep. I need some of those cloths that I be seeing on TikTok, child. But it's all good. Not bad. Yeah. My eyebrows always grew in crazy, y'all. me some good food and chips. So y'all, that was my first time making this dish. It's pretty good. I must say it's really good. I put some heavy whipping cream in it, and I put a cheese blend mix of pepper jack, mozzarella. What else was it? Asiago or something like that. Y'all don't even know how to pronounce it. But anyways, this turned out really, really good. It looks good. And James got the regular. Woo, he got smoke. Oh, I think I want a little mustard too. Oh, okay. They didn't have
Ain't got no ketchup.
It's right there, the ketchup. Yeah, I see it. I just want to taste this. Is it good? Okay. Yeah. It's delicious. You might want to do other thing in my gum. Good. Very flavorful. It's so good. I'm about to get that one. That's the spicy chicken.
Yeah, it's different.
I actually like it with sauerkraut.
Yeah.
Pretty good. The end part of your smoked one before I decide.
That's the best one.
The smoked one, I didn't taste the smoke. I just taste that one too. Oh my god. You want to the smoke?
Man, I smell a really nice cigar. I wish I would have brought mine.
I got mine with sauerkraut.
Ooh, girl, you piled it. You got a
Good for the
sauerkraut
digestive
dog.
system.
Yeah, I bet.
Ooh, it's not even sour. No, it's not. It's good. It's delicious. Y'all sleeping on it. And I got it on mine. Oh, you do that?
Well, be careful, bro. Your whole family are like, especially when it comes to food. Like, ooh.
It's really good. Chicken samosas.
Say it again. What is it, baby?
Chicken samosas with the
All
little
right.
sauce.
Yeah. How is it, baby? It's good.
Okay, or
Yeah. So, camera's on you. What do you think about the way she's chewing?
literally like it can pass.
It can pass. Okay.
Because her eyes will light up like the hot dog, the sausage.
Right.
Fell right in it.
Just fell. Wow.
It didn't. Her eyes didn't light up like, you know.
Yours smell good though. You're getting closer to my nostrils. I'm like, no, I smell that cinnamon.
Child. It fell in the sauce. Let me taste it. Taste it without it and then taste it with it. Definitely seasoned. It's not salty. That's what I like about it. It's actually good. I told ya.
When you're twins, the madness just never ends.
Good. You don't like the sauce? You cut for the sauce, man. You just eat it by itself.
Yeah.
You got a friend in me.
Look,
You
already.
got a friend in me. When the road looks.
Girl, you know the theme song, the word for word?
I feel sweat rolling down my back. I do, it's just rolling. My back is wet.
I wonder where that sweat gonna roll to.
Shut up, James. That was beef or chicken? Chicken. That is so cool.
It is cool, little stand. But real old school. Natural tea and sodas.
And
I feel like my wife brought me here to be the cameraman.
yep.
Told you.
What do you think? You're hired.
Pay me, goddammit. Pay me. What's
It's
that?
good, but it needs some dipping sauce.
Show the camera what it is. Ooh.
It's a African beignet, a cinnamon kind, but it needs some
African
dipping sauce.
beignet.
That's what they call
At a
it.
German fest. Okay.
Yeah, it's a bender.
DEI. Diversity, equity, and
They
inclusion.
got the little lawn chairs. Come on, cameraman. The food was good. The drinks were good. Your girl was feeling it. I was vibing out. It was mainly like a little carnival / little state fair. But it's nothing compared to here in Texas. Texas State Fair is off the chain, honey. But me and my sister, we had a blast. Oh my gosh.
I ain't never seen.
Fried pickles. Turkey legs smell so good. You got fried cheesecake. Oh wow.
You're gonna have to scream for it.
You're gonna have to scream for it. Woo! I got you. Drop it like hard, drop it like hard, drop it like hard. I got it going on. Go, go. All right. Y'all see I'm sweating, Chad. That's a long ride. See that sweat? Little tickets. So automated now. I wonder if the fair gonna be like that. Automated, yep. Me and the hubby.
Oh, look at him upside down.
Oh wow.
Oh!
Oh! Oh my gosh! Stations for tickets.
I only dance with the devil at home.
Digital purchase and reload tickets. Station, y'all.
I'm telling.
I mean,
It got dairy in it, dude.
I don't know.
Move, no.